Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install Microsoft Edge on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, tap on App Store and the search bar, search for Microsoft Edge. And then tap Get and double click to install. Perfect. After installing Microsoft Edge, tap Open, tap Set as default browser, then tap Default browser up and set Edge as a default browser, okay? Then come back to Edge, and here tap Not Now, confirm, and perfect. This is our browser. We can go to any website we want, for example google.com. Perfect. Now we can also open a new tabs. Just tap this icon and you can open private tabs or a new tabs if you want. Just tap this plus icon and go to example any website you want. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, let's give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.